Do you have a bottle of wine but no corkscrew and don't know how to open it? All you need is a lighter. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how this trick works and what you need to bear in mind. Because probably the worst thing is when you want to enjoy a nice wine, take off the top packaging and then see that there is a cork inside, but you don't have a corkscrew at home or simply can't find it. But you probably have a lighter and that can help you just as well, but you shouldn't just light the cork like that. Instead, we need to get to a very specific spot on the wine bottle, in this upper part where there is a little air, because there is a little bit of air between the cork and where the wine starts in the bottle, and we want to heat this up with a lighter. To do this, hold the lighter exactly at this point and turn the bottle a little while doing so. You can also use a storm lighter, which might be a little quicker, but a normal one will do. Incidentally, this method is also perfect if you collect corks because they are not broken afterwards. As you will see in a moment, it will take a few minutes, but at some point you will notice that the cork is slowly coming out at the top, and now you can stop using the lighter and should be careful as the cork comes out with quite a force. This is because we have heated the air in the bottle with the lighter, which expands and pushes the cork out at the top. Of course, you have to be careful now because the top bottle is still a little hot, but this doesn't change the temperature of the wine. Because just because the neck of the bottle is a little hot up here, the wine doesn't get hot, as you can see here. Our wine bottle is at normal room temperature, and so is the wine itself. It's just that the top of the bottle is still a little hot, and you have to be careful when you touch the bottle. This way you can open it super quickly and easily, even if you don't have a corkscrew to hand. And if you still want to know what ingenious things you can do with a cork, then watch the video you see on the screen now. Click directly on it.